Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi. Are you also having dull and uneven skin tone? I have a solution. Now you can experience a burst of luxurious hydration with Swish Aqua Rush with 12 HA serum. This is a great serum. Let me tell you how you can use it in different ways. फर्स्ट आपको आपकी स्किन को अच्छे से क्लेंस करना है. फॉर दैट यू कैन टेक एनी माइल्ड क्लेंजर और फेस वॉश. उसके बाद वंस योर स्किन इज़ कम्प्लीटली क्लीन, टेक अ सॉफ्ट टॉवल एंड पैट ड्राई योर स्किन जेंटली. इसके बाद हमें हमारे स्किन पे लगाना है दिस मैजिकल सीरम बाय द ब्रांड कॉल्ड पिलग्रिम. इट्स स्विश एक्वा रश विथ 12 हाइलुरोनिक एसिड्स. स्विस एक्वा रश हमारे स्किन को एक बैरियर की तरह प्रोवाइड करता है एंड ये डीपली पेनिट्रेट होकर हमारे स्किन में मॉइस्चर को लॉक करता है, लीविंग इट हाइड्रेटेड एंड प्लम्प ऑल डे. आफ्टर टाल ड्राई आपको आपके स्किन पे जेंटली इसे लगाना है एंड मेक श्योर कि आप इसे हल्के हाथों से लगाएं. यू कैन यूज दिस ऑन योर फेस एज वेल एज ऑन योर नेक. This is one method which you can try. Another is after cleansing your face, you can use a mild toner, and after doing the toner and cleanser step, you can simply use this on your wet skin or damp skin. It has 12 types of hyaluronic acid and copper tripeptide beads which boosts your skin collagen and skin elasticity. You will instantly feel that your skin is so soft. It suits skin types like dry skin and dehydrated skin too. Plus it is vegan and cruelty free, also dermatologically tested, FDA approved, and free from toxic chemicals and parabens. Plus it is also plastic positive. Use it regularly on your skin up to 6 weeks to get the best results. It has no harsh smell, which is again a great thing about it. I also use this product as a makeup primer. I mean, why to invest in a primer or any such thing जब आप अपने ही सीरम से इसका काम कर सकते हो. So I have used the serum on my face and now I am doing my makeup. इट ब्लेंड्स सो स्मूथ. मेरी स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ लग रही थी. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट product as it can even work as primer. It will give you a flawless makeup with a non-cakey base. I mean, look at this glow. The skin is glowing from within. I absolutely love this product. I would say it is a must buy. You should obviously invest in this. And this is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple, and even on Amazon. I would say this face serum is pure magic as the combination of the two, hyaluronic acid and Swiss Aqua Rush, works wonders. So get yours today. And this serum provides unparalleled long-lasting hydration that goes beyond the surface. I'll add the link in the description so you can get yours from there. And thank you so much for watching it till here. I will see you all next time. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, then thank you so much and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye. Lots of love and yeah, take care.